Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are looking at Hope's puppies up here in the kennel. Here they are. I'll be probably filming tomorrow night at the Pennsylvania kennel, because I won't get there till later tomorrow night. But there they are. So if you're gonna meet me at the Pennsylvania kennel on the 15th or after, let me know, because I'll be there. Make sure you get your puppy, because I won't be there for another 5 weeks or so. So this will be the last time I'm in Pennsylvania till after the New Year's. So I'll be there on the 15th. Come get your puppy. We have one female available from this litter. And there she is, right there in the corner. Right there. There she is, she's backing out. There she is, right there. It's the one all the way on the right is the last female. So, there she is. And I have from this litter, which I'll take a video of, down in the puppy house, I have one silver female available from that litter. Okay, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Let me know, it's Christmas time. Rich Bowers signing off. And God bless.